Hello and welcome to free.net tutorials. This is Emmanuel Mendu. In this video we will see what is the duty of custom validator control in our ASP.NET. The custom validator control provides some validation expressions that which the other validation controls that doesn't provide. We see two properties mainly in our custom validator controls: value property and isValid property. The value property assigns a control value. For example, when we take a message text box, like the message text box or a feedback text box, they mention like it should have like less than 250 characters. We can give the value to 50 with this value property, and isValid property checks is it valid or not. The value we entered is less than or above 250 or not. Let's go and see an example of our custom validator control. I'm just continuing from our compare validator example. Let me write a message here or feedback. Let's drag and drop a text box. We need this text box in a multi-line, so change the text mode as multi-line, and you drag it down. Okay, so here I need a custom validator control and a required validator control also. So let me take a required validator first, and properties, and change it as message is required, and the control to validate is for text box 3. So just drag and drop another control or custom control, and the control to validate is text box 3, and text as star. Error message is like we will enter like 100 characters, less than 100 characters. Should be less than 100 characters. Okay, so let's see. Okay, let's change this properties, this text property as star. Okay, so we are done with our front end part, adding and changing some properties. I'm sorry. We write the logical code for this custom control. The custom control accepts of logical expressions like logical conditions. Let's double click on our custom control, and you see a custom control server validate. It's run on the server, so we write a logical condition here, so it is being called the server and checks the validation control. So let's use this args event args for our custom validator control. args.isValid property, it should validate when args.value.length is less than or equal to 100. Okay, you please don't forget to remove the space between 100 and the less than or equal to, because if you forget that, your code doesn't work. So let's go and run our project now. You just finish entering your required field validator like 1 2 3 4 5 1 2 3 4 5, and here you can write I love ASP.NET in the C in das.com by main tool. Okay, so what I did is I just entered some characters here. When I press submit, you won't see any errors here. So let's see what 1 2 3 4 5 1 2 3 4 5, and what I'll do is I enter characters more than 100. I think it's fine now. Let's submit, and you see a message like message should be less than 100 characters. When you enter like below 100, you won't see that a message now. I think it's more than 100 now. Okay, we're done. And when you submit your registration form, it automatically submit in your database, in the company database or the server which you are registering. Okay, so I conclude of our day validation controls with this control. So we'll see other applications, and thank you for watching. See you in the next video. Bye bye.